Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Vrbo affiliate tools for US vacation bookings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Vrbo affiliate tools for US vacation bookings, start by visiting the Vrbo affiliate program website. Look for the Join Now or Sign Up button and click on it. Fill out the required information in the application form. Include your name, email address, and any other necessary details. After submitting the form, you will receive a confirmation email. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation message from Vrbo. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log into the Vrbo affiliate dashboard. Navigate to the Affiliate Tools or Resources section. In this section, you will find different marketing materials available for download. Browse through the available tools, such as banners, logos, and links. Select the specific assets you want to use for your promotions. Click on the Download button next to each item to save it to your device. Make sure to organize the downloaded files in a dedicated folder for easy access. After downloading, review the guidelines provided for using the affiliate tools. Implement these materials into your marketing strategy to start promoting US vacation bookings. Keep track of your performance through the affiliate dashboard to optimize your efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.